What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Don't mind the messy hair. We got the car, we're ready. Are you ready? We're gonna be installing the header today. So you guys already saw last video how we ceramic coated it, or ceramic coated it. But car is pretty much, I got the cover off. The jack is gonna lift it up. And I actually stopped by the store and got these Daytona jack stands because I'm not trying to die today. So but we're gonna get right into it, guys. It's like, well, I'm not gonna say super easy. Well, it might be easy, I don't know. It's the first time I'm gonna do this because I don't know what the hell I'm doing. So we're gonna learn together. But you guys can see down there, that's the header, the heat shield for the headers. We gotta get to that. And to get to that, I'm most likely certain we gotta take this off. We gotta take this off. We might have to take the bumper off, I'm not sure. But we gotta take the fan off. So that's not too bad. I took the fan off before when I changed the radiator. Hopefully it's easier than changing the alternator, because I changed the alternator and that shit was bad. That was horrible. But guys, so what we're gonna start is the front might be easier than the back. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna have to start by taking this off. The intake manifold. Take this off. Take the intake off. These, like, all these little bolts that are here. Take them all off so we can have access to the back where the header is. Once we do that, we're gonna have to jack the car up. We're gonna go from the bottom, start unbolting things, take off the white pipe, and yeah, you guys are gonna learn just like I'm learning right now, because I don't know what I'm doing. Let's see what we find. That's what we do. So you guys probably hear a little noise. I got the headers baking in there still, so yeah, that's, you guys already saw a video of how they came out. So but yeah, guys, we're gonna start with this first. We're gonna take this off and we're gonna take that off. So let's go get it. Oh, another thing is, this might take a while. They say it takes a long time. It's like, it takes, like, some people take a day, some people take a day and a half, some people, like, it's crazy. So I got scared because at first they're like, oh, you gotta take the axle off or dismount it, whatever. But I'm like, nah, I don't want to do that. So what we're gonna do is take it off. We're gonna go as it is. We're gonna start with the intake, and hopefully it doesn't take 2 days. So we're gonna start with, like, taking this bolt off, that bolt off, this one, that one. You know, taking, like, these bolts off and things like that. You gotta take those off. So that's it, guys. So you guys should know how to do that. So all right, so you guys already know that we moved to a new house, so we really don't have tool except for, like, my impact gun and stuff like that. So I had to go to Harbor Freight, and it was on sale. So we got, like, a whole bunch of tools. Like, this kit comes with everything that you want. We already had a hammer. We already have, like, one of these, like a star and all that, but we didn't have vice grips. We didn't have these, like, small pliers and stuff like that, but we pretty much, like, had that and stick, whatever. But I needed a 10 mil and, like, AutoZone was like 20 bucks for, like, the 10 mil with this, and this came with, like, extensions, 2 extensions, so it's a big one here. Also got a couple other things like extensions, because we gotta do things to the rear coilovers, and you guys know the bolts are, like, all the way up in there. So yeah, that's what we're doing. Moving on to the car, guys. So these bolts are all 10 mils. So to remove these, like, all these guys, and, like, the ones down here, this one here, and all that, so you can lift this up. We gotta lift it up and remove it. Now we gotta go and take this off. So these are all 10 mils. Like, over here is probably 10 mils, but you can do, like, with the star or whatever you want to call it. Take it off so we can have access to the header in the back and remove it. All right, well, actually, it's, like, the next day. So this is actually taking a bit. So yeah, this is not as easy as I thought it would be. So let's already see. Actually, I kind of did a little bit of work. I took off the manifold right there. I took off, like, the intake, and if you have the money, pay for it. But if you want to really do it, you can try to do it yourself. Let me see if I can show you. I took off, or actually, like, I got loose the manifold, or what you want to call it. I don't know if you guys can see it from here. I really can't get in there. Yeah, I really can't get in there, but I loosened it. I got the bolts right here. I just got one more holding it. The only problem I'm having, I haven't started the front one yet, and I gotta get this done today or tomorrow because I need the car to go to work. So yeah, so I have to go to the store, get some WD-40. Got a breaker bar, because I'm gonna show you. I don't know if you guys see it, but those bolts up there, yeah, I don't know. Let me see. The bolts that hold this cat all the way up there, those things suck. They're so hard to get out. So this is my white pipe. Look, we be scraping and shit. But those things are so hard to get out. Honestly, I'm gonna take these off. Hopefully I can take this one. I can just take it out like that. Hopefully. Yeah, but the back one is like really hard. So I got a WD-40 to throw it on there and see what happens. Hopefully they come off. If not, then yeah, we're screwed. But that's what I'm gonna do now, guys. This is actually pretty difficult. All right, guys. Day 3, and I took off so far. You guys see this bolt, that, and in there you saw it too. Now here's the problem. I took off the bolts to the manifold on top, but I don't know if you guys can see it. Let me see. I don't know if you guys can see it. Wait, right there. Wait, hold up. But up there, I don't know if you guys can see it, but up there, there's like 3 more bolts that I gotta get to. Now here's the problem. I got the white pipe. I got the axle in the way, so I don't even know if I'm able to get it without having to dismantle everything. And I got that big old piece, like that one right there. I got it in the way, so it's like all the way down there. Damn, guys, honestly, I don't know if it's worth it. I don't know if it's worth it, and I need the car to go to work tomorrow. This is the 3rd day, and they're just kicking my butt. I'm so serious. Now, this is loose, like it's all good. But to get to that, oh man, it's crazy. I'm gonna try to put something through here, but I'm gonna keep you guys updated. Most likely, I might have to put everything back together so I can drive the car and have like a mechanic take this whole shit apart. Oh, this sucks. Yeah, this sucks. But unfortunately, guys, there's as far as I'm gonna go. The cat is pretty much out. You can see like it's separated from the header. Let me see, I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's separated. But this cable that you see here is all the way over there in Carajo land. I can't get it. And then the 3 bolts, I'm just having a hard time taking it off. And honestly, there's like, I'm gonna explain to you guys. I'm gonna put it back together. I'm gonna put the car back together, put the stock back on, and this is not the move, guys. But just an update, this is as far as I got. I got the cat pretty much almost out, but I can't get that cable, and I'm gonna put it back together, guys. So I'm gonna see you in a few. We're actually done putting everything back onto the car. Everything's tight. I double checked it. Now we gotta go to the front. I mean the top, guys. I woke up like at 5 a.m. to try to do this. Definitely not. It's crazy. It's doable. I'll be honest with you, it's doable. But if you have several days, if you already know what you're doing, if you have special tools, things like that. But me and my garage, with the tools I have, I had to go buy tools. I had a breaker bar. I had to get that thing over there, and it's like so uncomfortable too. Like my arm is all cut up and stuff because like the plastics here. Yeah, things like that. Like it's where it's gonna start. I even took the bolts off the headers on the top, so we're gonna have to put those back right now and then start putting everything back. It's doable, guys. If you have several days, or if you know what you're doing, whatever, you can do it. But I'm over it, tired of it. I'm gonna have the mechanic do it when they, cause I got my motor mounts too and all that stuff. So I gotta do several work to the car. So I'm gonna just have them put it on. Alright guys, so unfortunately we couldn't do the headers, but I already told you guys I'll do that like another day or whatever. But we're testing the car out, making sure it's good so I can go to work. So I can like go to work whenever I gotta go to work. It's a very time consuming job, but let's just make sure the car is still doing good. It was smoking earlier. You hear those? Oh man. I can still kind of smell the burning. Hopefully it'll go off. It's like the WD-40 or something, but just giving the car a little spin, make sure nothing is freaking out or whatever. So boy, oh boy, does this stink. Dang, it's like super dirty. Yo, we gotta change that. Look at that. That's like disgusting. The last mechanic I had, I don't know what they put in there. Horrible. I gotta do like a whole system flush or whatever for like the power steering. I think that's what it is. But so we got everything back. Everything is pretty much good. I gotta clean this whole engine bay, but don't worry guys, we're gonna be doing that. Still smells like it's burning, but I don't see smoke anymore. I'm just gonna leave it open a little bit so the air can pretty much, I don't know, cool the car down before I put it in the garage or something. So it's a little harder, not hard, but like it's how do I explain this? You just gotta have a lot of time and things like that, because like it's not just the 3 bolts here, it's on the bottom side. Now that's what happened here. On the bottom side, getting to those bolts was difficult. It was time consuming. You know, I need the car to go to work, obviously, so I just couldn't do it, guys. I tried. It's doable. But once I switch, you know, I gotta do a couple things like motor mounts and things like that. Once I switch that, I'm gonna just tell the mechanics to do it, and once they take everything out, it'll be easy for them. But me, it's too much time. I don't have time like that to be just like 8 hours straight. You know, you guys know Gerson. Even Gerson, it's like 8 hours it took him to change his. So everybody that I've seen, they have told me it took the whole day for them to do it. But aside from that, I'm a little disappointed. But aside from that, guys, I think we're still gonna be tuning the car though. But aside from that, guys, I think we're still gonna be tuning the car. Just like that. No flames for now, but. And she's looking pretty. Like, this is a beautiful car. But yeah, that's all I got for you guys today. Honestly, that's it. We tried, we failed, but you know, it happens. Things happen. It's a complicated car, limited space in the back to work on. So I just hope it doesn't break. Honestly, it's doable. If you guys want to do it, change your headers. Definitely doable. You guys already saw what to do up to the point where I stopped. And honestly, from there on, you can figure it out. So, you know, it's just that once you take those bolts off, that's it. It just comes down. And then another thing, when you guys put it in the back, if you're gonna do it yourself or whatever, you got time, you can do everything through here. Like once you take this off, you have enough clearance to take out the header, the stock one, and put the OBX one or whatever you got. Put it in through here. You can do everything through here, and I guess here too. Just remember, you gotta take the radiator fan off from here, and you can go through there and it can do it. Like I saw it, it's possible to take it and do it through here, but like I said, you already know what happened. But guys, it's possible. Just be careful when you take this off, nothing falls in that hole that you guys saw. But you guys can do it just all through there. You don't gotta do nothing else. No axle taken off, no coolant taken out, whatever, nothing. No, you can just do it all the way through there. So you guys should be good. You'll be fine. Any questions, just let me know. Comment down below, guys. So what you think we could have done different, what you guys saw, did you like it, did you didn't like it, like what's up, what's going on? That's what I got for you guys. So I'm just gonna let the car air cool like a little bit before putting it in the garage. But oh, it's so beautiful. Like just looking at it, I'm not even mad anymore. I was tight, but I ain't tight anymore. So but hey guys, me doing this for 3 days, if that's enough for you guys, just hit that like button, share the video. That'll help out a lot, and we can do a lot more mods to the car. But thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for the next videos. I got something very special. Did I say tuning? Yeah, we might be tuning it soon. She needs a wash. She needs a wash and spray in the engine bay. But I'm gonna catch you guys later. Peace.